How to create Google Play Games profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply scroll down and search for Google, then click on Google. In here, you will find this kind of screen. Click on All Services at the top. Then scroll down in All Services and you will find a section for Google Apps. Simply click on Play Games, click on Create Profile. It will load for some time, then click on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, if you click on the pencil icon beside the profile, you will be able to choose your profile as you want. Simply choose the profile and press on Save at the bottom. After that, press on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then in here, click on Create at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, your profile will be created. This is how to create Google Play Games profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.